Thank you so much for being here, and in this video we are making a new chicken coop for our baby chicks. So I hope you like it, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so because we are building our channel. And if you like garden videos and things about chickens and some traveling here and there, then please subscribe. Thanks. We went to the dump yesterday to take a bunch of stuff, and someone dumped this children's playhouse, and there's really, well, a lot of it was broken up, but there was a lot of good pieces still, and so we collected what we wanted, and we're gonna make a new little chicken coop just for a couple chickens. So this is the roof piece. It's really good. It only has a couple missing pieces on the side. Then we got a couple big pieces of, like, this is a big floor piece and a little ladder, and a couple big pieces like this that are fully functional. We're gonna do something out of them. And then a bunch of single pieces. And it's all redwood, so it's in excellent condition and really good wood. We can't wait to make this into our little chicken coop. Can you stand up in there?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Okay, we're putting in 2 perches. We'll just use our natural branches that we have.
Oh, this is the wrong screw here.
And when you put in the perches, there needs to be enough room. Like, we made sure there's enough room in the back here so that the chickens are away from the wall far enough. And we're gonna do 2 perches. And then the lower one has to be set far enough away from the top one that they're not gonna poop on each other. Okay, first one. Okay, and the second perch is down about 2 feet or so, 2.5 feet. down on the middle of the pallet. You could see they are not right on top of each other. Okay, so now we have chosen the place on this floor, and we're going to cut a square out for them to have their little ramp to walk down and be able to get out of the enclosed area inside the coop. And then there will be an outside little run as well. Okay, so I took some old crappy piece of rope and I just wrapped it on this plank, and this is going to be the plank for them to walk up and down their coop. Now I'm going to screw it on. So here's their hole to go down, and then here's their ramp to go down in the yard. Flush with the line over that way, right?
Yeah, this end needs to be right there. No problem.
You got this.
Ready? Flush.
You want it flushed this way too, right?
Or
Or sticking out like this?
just sticking out a little bit. Well, no, because my screws are already in right there, so right there.
Ready? Watch Mama.
Is it flush with that line?
Yep.
Good job.
Woo-hoo!
You did it too. We did it. We did it.
Yeah,
Yay.
She's all, I don't want to touch that. It's gonna be crooked, but it'll be the same kind of crooked.
As long as it's all crooked the same way.
Yeah. We got the cord.
I love it.
That's not gonna work. I'm glad we did that. Well, that happened. Oh, look. I missed down there
Oh,
too.
look, it didn't even go into the wood.
Oh, look.
And that's why you check it.
Oh, look.
Okay, let's try this again and make sure that the screws go in both boards.
I don't know why you're being so picky.
There's not a board on this whole thing that is straight or flush or
Hey,
level.
you better not put that in the video. Perfect.
Absolutely. I mean, it's for the chickens. It's going to be perfect for them. I'm just get right up in your ear hole. Oh, that sounded better.
Beautiful.
Now how is it? Better?
Yeah, it should be good.
What do you think? What do you think? Is it better? Yeah? Is it better? Yay! Okay, here's the babies. And they need to go. They are ready to be outside full time. That's why we're trying to get this chicken coop done. They are big enough to be outside. They are chicken teenagers. And they have probably 90% at least of their adult feathers in. And they're ready. So this is just temporary because we're not finished with it completely yet, but this is just temporary so we can get the chicks in there and out of the house, and then we'll finish it up in a couple days. Okay, so we got a lot of the framing done. Most of the framing done. It's not perfect, but we don't care because it's a chicken coop. So it's good enough. It's not the straightest, but it's good enough. And it's just kind of an odd, maybe kind of like a hexagon-ish shape. You can see it kind of goes straight here. Then around. So yeah, we're excited. Just need to do a little bit more and then try to get some chicken wire up for tonight. Okay, we just got done with the chicken wire. So the first time out here in their coop, we just got done with most of the chicken wire and the framing, and it's giant coop, but that's great. And they are loving it. They're just eating bugs. Yeah, now we have room for more chickens. Yay, chicken math. They're loving it. Hi, ladies.
4, 5, 6. Wait a minute. 1. Stand still.
Probably still in there.
There he
Oh,
is.
there it is.